Okay, pound dollar now. Last week I was looking to sell. At the beginning of the week I was watching closely the thrust level here, which was the 1.5561 level. We did get a nice retest of that level and a good failure, so we got a nice sell trade there. I decided to take profits on that one at this first target level. I closed mine just above that level. So we've definitely met this target level now, and we're on the eighth bar of a buy setup here, which kind of sort of may hold off that we might not get the setup on the pound yen now if we get a big a move higher from here. But it doesn't always happen. We could get the 9 count and just keep going a bit lower first. I'm talking here so that I get my 132 target on the pound yen. But this pair's looking really good as well. I was drawing quite a few lines on this weekly chart, but they're all quite relevant. We've got this level here is the last monthly bearish thrust, which was this level here. So it was cleanly removed and then tested quite a few times, as you can see. And then this level's just been removed to the close on the monthly, which I'm fairly sure last Sunday I was looking, I was making sure that we were going to close below this level this week. We had to do that this week for the market to really turn bearish, which it's done now. So I'm looking for it to get down to the 1.5 area to break this lower bat support and then have a squeeze higher, which is fine. You can see in all the commentary that a lot of the pairs are basically setting up in the same way at the moment. Euro US dollar sort of came a bit earlier than the rest of them, but certainly the pound dollar appears to be heading the same way. So like I say, so we're on the 8th count, so the 9th count will complete on Monday, but I'm hoping that we'll have a nice move down and take out the 1.5 sometime early next week, and then after that, we can have a bounce from there, no problem. And in a similar way to the pound yen, we've got a nice area here that we can sell into, which is the 1.5722. So should we come down, test the weekly bat support level here at 1.500, even as low as the 1.4752, then we can get a nice bounce higher again for this 1.5722 level. It's quite interesting here how important levels of the market here is the 1.6722, 1.5722, and then 1.4752, which is fairly close. But it's quite interesting how this 722 area, 752 area seems to be the sort of stepping stones in the market here at the moment. But certainly, things are looking really good here to catch a good down move here. Still a lot of potential in this move. If we break the weekly, I think I showed last week, certainly got the potential to get down to parity here. Should we remove these key levels over the next few weeks. So yeah, the plan here this week is basically going to be doing not very much, because I'm already short up here, which I'm holding. And should we make the 9 count again, it could be a case where I might look to go long. If we can complete the 9 count and then come down and test the 1.5004 level, and the pound yen is testing the 132 level at the same time, then I would see scope for a good bounce from there. So at that point I may start to look for long opportunities, which could come by about Thursday. Pound yen completing its buy setup on Thursday. Pound dollar already will have completed its buy setup and possibly taken out this weekly bat support. So so I may not really get involved in the pound yen or the pound dollar until around Thursday, but we'll see. But basically the outlook anyway is fairly bearish, but with a lot of opportunities now to get involved again to the short side. Should we come up and test this 1.5722, but obviously I'd like to see this level broken first. So yeah, that's the plan for the pound dollar this week.